Here I have SONY Xperia XA2 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. So afterwards, let's find the tray. The tray is located right here at the left edge of the device. Let's open this tray by using your nail finger. And as you can see, with your tray, you just remove one of the slots for the Nano SIM card. We will use it later. For now, let's use some tool to remove the second tray right here. And now you've got access to the following tray. As you can see right here, you can insert the micro SD or the Nano SIM card. So if you would like to use the Nano SIM card, let's insert that card in that position. But if you would like to use this slot for micro SD, let's insert the micro SD card with the following characteristic edge right here. And now let's input the whole thing into your device in that position. Let's press it to the end. Alright, let's make sure that it's pressed to the end. You may also use some kind of the tool to push it. As you can see, my phone accidentally switched on, but it doesn't matter. So now let me insert the Nano SIM with the characteristic edge right here. Let's insert this card in that position right here. This is the properly prepared tray. And now let's put this card right here and press to the end. As you can see, the device is restarting itself, so if you accidentally switch on your device, the smartphone will restart itself, so everything will be alright when the device will show you the home screen. Alright, let's unlock the screen. Now let's find and select the apps. Let me just check if both cards works properly. Choose settings. Let's choose network and internet. Here let me choose dual SIM. As you can see, the device is reading our first SIM, so it's a good sign. Now let's go back a couple of times, choose storage. And the phone is reading some kind of the portable storage, so our SD card, so everything is just fine. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.